let's talk about one more aspect of creating a beautiful tone, and that is using the pedal. Of course, Chopin said the pedal is the soul of the instrument, and that's so right. When the composer writes pedal markings in the score, we are so lucky for this particular composer to say exactly what she wants. So there are some measures where we want to hear some very misty playing. Did you hear that? So throughout that entire first measure going into the second measure, she wants it all to be played within one pedal. So we need to adhere to those pedal markings. Secondly, this piece begins with pianissimo sound. So again, we want to think about what kind of beautiful wispy sound we want for the beginning. And let's use the damper pedal as well as the soft pedal. But let's not use it exactly when we play the key because we can get a little bump and we don't want that. So let's go ahead and press those two pedals down at the same time, which opens the dampers. And did you notice that? That first sound just comes from mist or comes from water. So I'm going to try that one more time. Now I'm going to start to take off that soft pedal. So remember, when using the soft pedal on the piano, it's not just to play pianissimo. It means that you're going to use it as a mute, just like a trumpet player would use a mute for their instrument. It really does change the sound of the music that you're listening to. So it's not a good idea to use it all the time, but in a place like this where the opening needs to really come out from nowhere, it's a good place to use that soft pedal. Otherwise, we should all learn how to play pianissimo without using the soft pedal. So at the very end, I'm going to try without the soft pedal. So if you can control how slowly you drop to the bottom of the keys, the amount of weight you drop to the bottom of the keys with, and always think about what sound you want to create, feeling calm, then you are going to get a beautiful tone in your playing. Again, this piece is Twilight, Opus 69 from the book called Preludes, Volume 2 by the wonderful composer Dianne Goolkasian Rahbee.